So, we are still stuck in COVID-19 lockdown. You've already probably organized your gear, tied extra leaders, prepped your boat, and you're all thinking about what can I do now to be ready so that when we are able to go fishing, we can go fishing. So, what about when we're ready to start cooking our catch? What can you prep now to get ready for then? Well, there is an ingredient I have not been able to put in recipes, or I haven't put in recipes, because it takes like at least a month for it to cure and get ready. But it seems like the perfect opportunity. Preserved lemons. It's a Moroccan style technique, and it's very simple. It's lemons and salt. For this recipe, I'm going to be using Meyer lemons. Meyers are a hybrid of citrons and mandarins. Pretty much all citrus we get these days are hybrids of one form or another. You can use regular lemons for these. It also works really great, but Meyers have just a little bit more of a floral flavor to them. It works really, really well. We're kind of getting close to the tail end of the season for Meyer lemons, so it's nice to grab them now, get this prepped so that when we're cooking, you'll have them. And by the way, this summer I will be doing recipes that include preserved lemons, and you guys are going to be all like, Chef Patrick, I don't have any preserved lemons. Yeah, do it. Take a half an hour out of your time, set up some preserved lemons. You'll be glad you did, and we'll be doing recipes later with this. So let's get cooking. Let me show you what's up with this. Well, that's pretty much it. I'm going to put these away in the cupboard, not the refrigerator, for at least a month. A month is good. Between 4 and 6 weeks, you're fine. Once a day for the first week, I'm going to give them a shake. Make sure everything's mixed up and distributed. Top doesn't get doesn't get not cured enough. After the first week, do it every day for the first week. After that, once every couple days, give them a shake. They'll be fine. And that's it. Once you open them, most people just scrape away the pulp and just use the skin and cut it up real fine and julienne it and put it in stuff. I like using the pulp for some recipes, but we'll get to that when we get to the recipes. But this is a good layaway for times when we are fishing and catching fish. Take my advice, guys. You'll be glad you did this. All right. I know we can't keep fishing, but keep cooking. Talk to you guys later. Bye.